Welcome to my video about Nagoya Castle. Today, I will take you on a journey through this historic Japanese castle located in Nagoya, Aichi Prefecture, and show you the beauty of this iconic landmark. Nagoya Castle was originally built in 1612 by the Tokugawa shogunate as the residence of the Owari branch of the ruling family. The castle served as an important political and cultural center of Japan during the Edo period. The castle's main keep, which is its most iconic feature, was destroyed in 1945 during World War II, but was reconstructed in 1959 using modern materials and techniques. The current keep stands at 48 meters tall and has 7 floors above ground and 2 below. It houses a museum with exhibits on the history and culture of the castle and the Owari region. The castle grounds cover an area of about 60,000 square meters and include several other important buildings, such as the Hommaru Palace, which was the residence of the castle lord and his family, and the Ninomaru Palace, which served as a reception hall for important guests. The castle also features a beautiful garden with traditional Japanese landscaping and a tea house. Nagoya Castle has undergone several renovations and reconstructions throughout its history, including a major restoration project that was completed in 2018. The project aimed to restore the castle to its original appearance and included the reconstruction of several important buildings that have been lost over time. Today, Nagoya Castle is one of Japan's most popular tourist destinations, attracting millions of visitors each year. It is a symbol of the city of Nagoya and an important cultural and historical landmark of Japan. There are several famous photo spots within the Nagoya Castle complex. Here are some of them. Kinshachi Yagura. This is a turret located on the southwest corner of the castle's main keep. It is famous for the 2 golden shachoko, mythical creatures with the head of a tiger and the body of a fish, that sit on its roof. The Kinshachi Yagura offers great views of the castle and the surrounding city. Taiko Gate. This is the main gate to the castle grounds, and it is a popular spot for taking photos with the castle in the background. The gate is named after the large taiko drum that used to be housed here. Hommaru Palace. This is a beautiful building located in the castle's central courtyard. It was the residence of the castle lord and his family, and it features a unique architectural style that blends Japanese and Western influences. The Hommaru Palace offers many great photo opportunities, including its beautiful gardens and elegant interior rooms. Sakura Gate. This gate is located on the eastern side of the castle grounds and is named after the cherry blossom trees that bloom nearby in the spring. It offers great views of the castle's main keep and is a popular spot for taking photos with the cherry blossoms in the background. Ninomaru Garden. This is a traditional Japanese garden located on the castle's eastern side, near the Ninomaru Palace. It features a pond, several bridges, and many beautiful trees and flowers. The garden is especially popular in the fall, when the leaves change color. These are just a few of the many photo spots within the Nagoya Castle complex. Visitors are sure to find many other beautiful and interesting sights to capture with their cameras. Nagoya is known for its unique and delicious local cuisine. Here are some of the most popular foods that you can try in the Nagoya area. Tebasaki. Tebasaki are Nagoya-style chicken wings that are deep-fried and coated in a spicy sauce made with soy sauce, sake, sugar, and garlic. They are typically served with a side of pickled vegetables and a cold beer. Miso Katsu. Miso Katsu is a breaded pork cutlet that is covered in a sweet and savory miso sauce. It is often served with a side of rice, miso soup, and pickles. This dish is a Nagoya specialty and can be found at many local restaurants. Hitsumabushi. Hitsumabushi is a dish made with grilled eel that is served over a bed of rice. It is typically eaten in 3 different ways: plain, with added condiments like wasabi and green onions, and with a flavorful broth poured over the top. This dish is unique to the Nagoya area and is a must-try for seafood lovers. Kishimen. Kishimen is a type of flat, chewy noodle that is similar to udon. It is typically served in a hot broth made with bonito and kelp, along with various toppings like shrimp tempura, fish cake, and green onions. Kishimen can be found at many local noodle shops and is a popular comfort food in the Nagoya area. Tenmusu. Tenmusu is a type of onigiri, rice ball, that is stuffed with shrimp tempura and wrapped in seaweed. It is a popular snack food in the Nagoya area and can be found at many convenience stores and specialty shops. These are just a few examples of the many delicious foods that you can try in the Nagoya area. Be sure to explore the local cuisine and try as many different dishes as possible during your visit. Nagoya Castle is located in the heart of Nagoya City, making it easily accessible by public transportation. Here are some of the most convenient ways to get to Nagoya Castle. By subway, take the Meijō line and get off at Shiakuso Station, M06. From there, it's about a 10-minute walk to the castle. Alternatively, you can take the Tsurumai line and get off at Joshi Station, T08, which is also about a 10-minute walk from the castle. By bus, take the City Loop bus, Meguru, and get off at Nagoya Castle/Sanamaru Shozokan bus stop. The bus runs every 10 to 15 minutes and makes stops at various tourist attractions around Nagoya. By taxi, taxis are readily available throughout Nagoya, and the ride to Nagoya Castle should take about 10 to 15 minutes from the city center. By bicycle, if you enjoy cycling, you can rent a bicycle from one of the many rental shops around Nagoya and ride to Nagoya Castle. There are also several bicycle parking areas near the castle. Once you arrive at Nagoya Castle, you can purchase admission tickets at the ticket counter and explore the castle grounds at your leisure. The castle is open from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., last admission at 4 p.m., and admission fees vary depending on the season and the exhibits on display. I hope you enjoyed learning about Nagoya Castle, its history, culture, and attractions. Remember to visit Nagoya Castle on your next trip to Japan and try the delicious local cuisine in the Nagoya area. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.